welcome to my channel Charman Curve 24. I'm back with yet another interesting video. Today I am going to review Excela moisturizer. This is not a commercial product or cosmetic. This is a dermatologist recommended moisturizer for oily and acne prone skin. This is specifically formulated for the people with oily skin and who are acne prone. This does not contain paraben and also no fragrance. It is a product from Cipla company, the famous company which produces lot of drugs, tablets, aspirin inhaler, etc. This product comes with a quantity of 20 gram with the price of 446. You can get this in medical shops or also through online like Amazon and Flipkart. I will leave a link in the description below. You can check out. So this is a specific product which says it controls the sebum production in the skin and thus reduces the formation of acne. This is a non-comedogenic product, which means that it does not clog your pores. It doesn't clog the skin pores, so there is no risk of acne formation. Also, this says that it gives a matte feel finish. It says that it recreates the skin's own natural moisture by supporting the water and lipid balance in the epidermis. It reduces the sebum production by inhibiting the multiplication of sebum producing cells. So as you can see, this is the container. It comes with a pump dispenser and a sleek white color container. It is a 50 gram product which comes in 466 rupees. The container is very hygienic and travel friendly. As you can see, you can carry it anywhere in your handbag also while traveling. This will last at least for 2 to 3 months. It contains purified water, niacinamide, butyl alcohol and lot of ingredients which is necessary for the skin and which is effective in helping the skin to overcome many issues. Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3 which is essential for the skin. It protects the skin from environmental stresses like pollution, sunlight, etc. It is also very effective in treating any inflammation on the skin. So inflammation is the start point of acne or pimples. This also contains zinc, which is very essential for the skin. And also there are a lot of good ingredients which can fight with the acne causing bacteria. I could not pronounce many of the ingredients, so I am just showing you. Now I will tell you my experience with. I will just show you how it looks, then I will tell you my review about this product. This is the container. It has a sleek hygienic packaging, as you can see. It's a pump dispenser. You can press and take the moisturizer. Oh, I wasted a lot of moisturizer by just pressing. As you can see, it's a white. The consistency is not too runny or not too creamy or thick. It's well absorbed now. I had terrible breakout last year and I came to know about this product after doing some research. I was having severe acne and I didn't want to use any other fancy products, and again it may react badly with the acne on my face. So since this is a formula recommended by dermats, I thought to give it a try and use it as a regular moisturizer because Cipla is a reputed brand, we all know. I have a super oily skin and my T-zone gets too much oily. I use my face wash first and then I use this moisturizer. I use a face wash with tea tree oil and aloe vera. I take very tiny 2 drops and not too much of this moisturizer. Once I applied it, caused a small tingling sensation. It is very mild tingling and not too much, and it also gets absorbed very quickly on the skin. This does not give any glow or whitish look like any other fancy products or cosmetics. Once absorbed, it gives a matte feel. It is very light on the skin. It is really light, but still I do use a powder on the top when I go out. When I'm sitting inside home, I don't use any compact or loose powders. I just apply this and sit like that. I tried this without using powder also. When I go out, I checked after some time and I was able to see that my face is not much oily like earlier, but still there was little bit of oiliness. But I could see that this moisturizer visibly reduces the excess oil production on my face, so I had visibly less oiliness. Also, I used clindamycin gel on the large pimples I had along with this moisturizer. After some point of time, I could see that it heals my skin and reduce the acne, and I still haven't completed this bottle. So I hope this will last for at least 5 months, because it is like a serum. You don't have to use in too much quantity. This is worth the price because it lasts for too longer, 5 to 6 months, and it comes in 446 rupees. Also, you need just 2 or 3 drops for your entire face, and it is a really good product for oily skin people like mine. So I hope you all like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.